There is a kind of creativity that feels light, effortless, free, because it is not trying to impress anyone. It simply exists for the joy of being expressed. Hello and welcome to day 63 of your 100-day journey to enter 2026 as a new you. As we grow up, creativity slowly becomes performance. We start worrying about how it looks, how it sounds, what others will think, and whether it is good enough. But do you remember how you created as a child? Messy, colorful, playful, and most importantly, without fear. Today we reconnect with that version of you. The one that creates because something inside wants to breathe, not because someone outside needs to approve. So let's create without the need to impress. Today's practice is do one small creative act today, purely for the joy of it. It can be anything. It could be writing a few lines, or sketch a tiny doodle, or sing something softly, or cook something new, or arrange a corner of your home. Take a photograph, decorate a space, or simply play with colors on a blank page. The only rule is this: create without evaluating, create without comparing, and create without performing. Let the act be imperfect. Let it be light. Let it be yours. Today's reflection prompt is that what stops me from creating freely? And just notice the answer that first comes up. It may actually reveal more than what you expect. And share one small creative act that you did today. No perfection, no pressure, just joy. Someone else might feel inspired to connect with their creativity once again. And if today's practice reminded you how much of yourself you've put on hold, or how often you silence your joy, your expression, or your natural creativity, then finish strong 2025 is exactly the space that you need. On 29 November, we are gathering for a 4-hour identity reset, a space to release emotional blocks, reconnect with your voice, and step into December with clarity, confidence, and renewed inner alignment. If you have been feeling stuck, scattered, or disconnected from yourself, then this session will feel like a deep exhale. Make sure to join me live. The link is in the description. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 64. Until then, take care of yourself and keep the curiosity alive.